When you try to take a bite out of life but life bites back. Professional hide-and-seek champion loses to a chicken.
Rodolfo! 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 ¿Qué te pasa? Rudy! Rolly!
When your cat thinks the vacuum is a giant straw.
Fucking where is it? Where the is it? I swear to God! You laughing, girl? You trying to laugh? This funny? Let me show you some fucking...
The Oscar for Best Dramatic Performance to avoid a Monday goes to this little guy.
You wanna go outside? You wanna go outside and play? Oh, now you're fine. Oh, now you're hurt again. Oh, no.
Okay, I don't... Mango looks like she's not having a good time.
That dog is 100% static. Karen, I am so sorry.
Why are you being so mean to me? Ow!
Ready?
You realize the treat jar is actually empty.
You've seen some things. Do you need a hug or maybe a little tuna?
This belly, it's so chunky. I'm so sorry.
Earl was so confused he had to check the source. You 1, toddler 0. Gravity is merely a suggestion when there are flies to catch.
This one is Patty.
When you accidentally open your front camera in 4K resolution.
Oh, no.
Secret Service training is really getting intense these days. He took that feather wand like a pro.
Gosh, damn. Hello, Phoenix.
When the Wi-Fi signal drops but you still have to lag.
Lo que yo vine fue a esto.
Standard Zoom Eyes, Exotic Bird Edition. Peer pressure is real when your friends are basically Olympic divers and you are just a potato. When your cat has one brain cell and it's currently buffering. Calculated jump, but terrible at math. Every time I try to get things done, my dog submits a formal request for belly rubs.
No.
Mistakes were made, but the gravity remains a heartless mistress. He is late for the wedding and his tuxedo barely fits.
Her primordial pouch hangs low.
She's fat.
Sibling rivalry in one single hug.
Fucking you, bloody.
Fast as fuck, boy. Still fast as fuck, boy.
Oh my goodness, you alright?
Summoning a cat out of thin air.
Wait.
Your goat's 404 error is the most relatable thing this week.
So how do you feel? What do you think about it?
Little pig, big sheep, zero chill. the whole slice anyway. That moment you realize the cat actually runs this house. Popeyes was for her, but the cat chose violence. Mistake thinking the pool cover was a solid floor. Result soggy. That moment when the chicken hits the pan and your soul leaves.
It's so long.
Oh my god, I love him so much.
Little babies. Oh, yeah.
Your alarm goes off, but your mom wants 5 more minutes. When you tell your big brother to chill and he doesn't. When I accidentally open the front camera and see my life. Immediate regret in 5 easy. The most judgmental briefcase ever. Decided to take a dive. Orange cats are never at home. Digital snacks are the best snacks.
Can you hear me?
I'm unable to read the file you uploaded. Try again or check the file for any issues. Statue of Liberty, but it is cat. Laser pointer wins again, human. Unable to read the file you uploaded. Try again or check the file for any issues. The teacher leaves the room for 2 minutes and the class immediately descends into absolute potato-themed chaos. Unable to read the file you uploaded. Try again or check the file for any issues.